like you said, this way you don't want to be sitting here like that. You want to kind of lean into it. You stop leaning into it. The shot surgery together. All you want to do, you want to be right in there. So it's like when you get in, line up.
Yeah, they're all over the place. It's from everyone.
And not to mention, you don't have to hold the suicide. You want to make sure you got it so it doesn't fly out your hand. But at the same time, right there.
She shoots well. She does well with this.
Well, I do.
See how her arms are
I'm
wide?
weighing the whole place.
See? Go ahead.
Are you learning about filming?
Good job.
See that? We're loaded. No more mother flesh.
Just take that target home like that. Where you looking? Now it's the belly button.
If you ever get something stuck in your holster, take the gun out. Good, actually, not bad marksmanship. I say I like to use the expression. It's only gonna get worse.
Grab the tendon, wrap it around, and attach it.
Don't try and anticipate what it's going to feel like. Just let it surprise.
Okay. If problem,
Yeah.
don't.
Yeah, I don't want it to roll up like this.
Yeah, don't. But it's gonna get a little worse. There you go. All right, guys. So not bad marksmanship here. One-handed, dominant, one-handed support. All the same shit, different day. You gotta get front sight, rear sight. Behind, rear sight, front sight, behind, and just manipulate that trigger so it's not same shit, different day. You know what I mean? They look good actually. Again, every time that we come out of the oftentimes when the guns in the holster are that mag, it's like it's not
Load your
like